Jose Chameleone, real name Joseph Mayanja, born on April 30th, 1979, in Kampala, Uganda, is one of East Africa's most renowned Afrobeat artists. He grew up in a musically inclined family as the fourth child of Gerald Mayanja and Prosy Musok. His passion for music was evident from a young age, inspired by his grandfather, a guitarist, and his father, a band member. Chameleone pursued his education at Nakasero Primary School and later attended Mengo Secondary, Kawempe Muslim Secondary, and Katikamu SDA schools, although his academic journey faced challenges. He began his career as a DJ in Kampala and transitioned into music with the Kenyan record label Ogopa DJs, releasing his debut hit single Bagaya in 2000. Chameleone's music blends Afrobeat, reggae, and local Ugandan sounds, earning him fame across Africa and beyond. Notable albums include Mamma Mia, Valu Valu, Bayuda, and Badilisha. His songs, such as Jamila, Shida Zadunia, and Whale Whale, have garnered widespread acclaim. As the founder of Leone Island Music Empire, he has mentored prominent artists like Weasel, Radio, and King Saha. Chameleone's international tours span continents, with performances in the US, UK, Sweden, and Malaysia, among others. His contributions to music have been recognized with multiple awards, including Pearl of Africa Music Awards and Tanzania Music Awards. Beyond music, Chameleone has engaged in philanthropy through the Chameleone Foundation, promoting youth development and awareness on critical issues like HIV/AIDS. He also ventured into politics, contesting for Kampala's Lord Mayor position in 2021. Married to Daniela Atim since 2008, they share 5 children. Despite personal and professional challenges, Chameleone remains a pivotal figure in African music, celebrated for his artistry and influence. Quick recovery.